Hello, FrankDad here once again to bring you some gameplay from Ambush. This is from their May 15th walk-on, and I wanted to make a non-best moments video because I had a special role in one of the games. Let me explain. This was the last game of the day, so it's always a bit wacky. There are 3 spies per team. The spies on blue team were myself, PJ, and Noah. The rules for spies are we may change sides at any time, and we could do this as many times as we want. In order to kill people on the other side, on purpose, we have to change our armband color. We do not know who the spies are on the other team, nor do they know about us. Also, there were gold bricks to be found for a money game after the last game, but that doesn't really matter at this point. Now, people know me on the field because of my YouTube channel, so they can pick me out of a crowd pretty easily, so they know what team I was on for the entire day. So, at some points it gets a little interesting. Anyways, before I get into the gameplay, I would like to tell you about my sponsor, Blue Mag Airsoft. Great quality BBs at a reasonable price. Everything from 2.0s all the way up to 4.0s. 100% biodegradable, mixed tracer BB bottles from 2.0s to 3.2s, veteran owned and operated, and the best part, free shipping. Customers who buy 2 or more bottles at the same time get a bulk discount. If you're in need of resupply, swing by bluemagairsoft.com. Link in the description. Anyways, let's see what chaos I can cause.
I hope this is a gold brick. There should be another one over there.
What?
It's not numbered.
Okay.
Oh well.
So what, does it doesn't mean anything?
Doesn't mean anything.
Okay.
What? No, it was blank. This was it. I guess someone didn't put the prop back.
Oh. Huh?
Did you res them? That's not, okay, hey kid.
Okay.
So the blocks of gold, they're about this size, but they're spray painted with gold, alright?
Okay.
Alright, no. PJ, oh, hello there. Then stop moving if you're hit.
No, he's gonna go right back to the middle. See, this is the problem. Frankie, trailer 5, you see the... Frankie, we got a lot of company coming up from trailer 5. Oh, a lot of company, Speedy Boys including.
Bandit Darnold. Bandit Darnold. I'm ready. We're orange. Yeah, we're shooting orange. Or no, we're shooting blue. We're being opportunistic right now.
Are we waving down orange, letting them know we're here?
Yeah.
Let's go back this way.
Well, hold on. What's that shooting?
It's blue. Are you in or you not? If you're not there, then you better be shooting me. A little kid.
Someone saw us.
Ah.
Someone saw us. Hit. Res.
1, 2, 3.
Got it. I'm good. So yes, we're the spies. What?
Really? Was I?
Was I?
Was I?
I mean, you guys could be spies.
Did I blow my
Are
cover?
we?
Or did I?
Hey, I don't like spies.
Hey, man.
Hey, hey,
Or
hey,
could
hey,
we be
hey, hey.
spies?
I don't.
Are you?
Hey, did you guys just...
Well, first off, we're getting shot at.
Whew, that saved me.
Are you? Well, hey, gotta be on the trailer. Is he blue or is he orange?
Orange?
Turncoat.
You turning?
Don't shoot me.
I'm not turning on.
Just keep me covered. I could turn at any time. That's what they said.
Okay, use it.
Oh, hey! Hey, I need res. What? You put your hand up. Whatcha? Knife kill.
First knife kill of the season.
Knife kill.
Dude, I knew you guys were spies, bro.
Did you see that?
I did. I saw you much. You get that recorded?
Yeah.
Good.
Oh, you.
The guy with the bobtail was. I knew. What are you shooting?
I'm on change and just kill these guys with a knife. Hey, we have some friendlies over here, just letting you know. Friendly. Friendly. Howdy.
Howdy, neighbor.
Blues in the woods.
Now, one of the guys, Edwin, he's the bigger guy, he knows that I was on blue for the previous round, so I have to do some quick thinking.
Did you guys switch or something?
We got team balanced.
Team balance?
Team balance. Yeah, team balance.
Wait, why'd they throw you on our team?
Look,
It's very fair.
as Denny wills it. That's the motto of Ambush, as Denny wills it.
Yep.
He's just a guy.
Basically. Do we have any blue?
I got movement in the brush.
Oh, we're getting shot at. Friendlies in. Friendly. Check down that way. Oh. We're getting shot at from one. I don't know by who, but at this point, we're just engage them. Okay. Benedict Arnold, Benedict Arnold. No, go ahead. Yeah, everyone's over there. So you guys go out there. Or someone hop on the road. Yeah, with me. PJ, hang on here. PJ, stay here. We'll bleed back to you when we die. Whoa, what's that?
I got him. Enemy right here.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna go finagle some enemies up towards 8-9. Yeah, up towards 8-9. Ah, I think I got hit. I'll call it. Oh. I don't know how any of those didn't hit me. I'll call it because I would be dead to rights, but I'm surprised that didn't hit me.
Hey, here's medic.
He's medic.
Oh, we're all good. Oh, you good? Yeah. Okay.
Watch, watch. Road watch, road watch.
That corner. You watch him. You're friendly, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
No, watch that corner though. There was enemies around that corner. So we have.
We want to get a different angle on this guy. We want to get a different angle on this guy. Right there, on that 8x8.
Oh.
Yeah. Hey PJ, let's pull back a little bit. See if we can get a different angle on him. All right. Let's pull him back a hair. Oh yeah, they're definitely coming. Okay, seriously, they're coming. Get into the woods. Get into the woods. Go, 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 go. There's a guy behind you, move! Hey, there's another one. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Finally, I get to slip away for 1 second to Don Orange.
Knife kill. Knife kill. Hey. Hey, I don't know if I hit him. Orange medic.